guys! We have gotten tremendous great feedback from you guys for our balcony makeover. That's why for this video, we are gonna do another makeover. If you guys haven't seen our balcony makeover video, we're gonna link it down in the description down below.
But in today's video, we are going to do a makeover for our living room. We've been living here for almost a year now. We've added some touches, but we've never really personalized the space yet.
And that's what we're gonna do today. But before we begin, do us a favor and make sure to like this video and make sure you're subscribed to our channel because we're gonna be doing more fun things like this. Do you wanna begin by doing a small haul for whatever we bought?
Let's do it!
It is also worth mentioning that most of the stuff that we bought here came from Ikea, so it's budget friendly. And we've taken advantage of Ikea's Click and Collect, which is a flat rate of $5 right now during this pandemic. For some of you guys that don't know, Click and Collect is Ikea's version of curbside pickup. Starting off the haul with everything from the left going to the right here, we bought 3 picture frames from Ikea. This is the Reba 41 by 51 centimeters. These 2 big boxes at the bottom is what we bought from Ikea as well. This is going to be our TV stand, which is the bias. And panning over to the right here, this is another piece from Ikea. This is a floating shelf called Black, which we are going to be putting on top of our TV set. And speaking of TV, we bought a cheap TV wall mount from Best Buy. This is supporting 47 to 80 inches because we are planning to mount our TV.
Moving on to the top here, we also bought these decorative baskets from Ikea. It comes with 3 sets with different sizes. So I'm planning to put this as a decoration. It can also be multi-purpose. You can put here some keys, some loose change, and even your chargers. We also bought this teal blue blanket from Ikea. This will be a nice touch for our sofa.
Also at the back here is this nice bird of paradise. Surprisingly, this came from Ikea too. This is a real plant, not artificial. This would easily go about $100 if you bought it somewhere else. And Ikea being a budget-friendly store, it only cost us about $30 to $40. It is also worth mentioning that this plant didn't come with the pot. We bought this pot separately from Ikea as well. This is the muscat. And also, as an indoor plant stand, we bought this simple white side table from Jisk.
For the pillows, we are just going to use our existing pillows. And we just bought this blue cushion cover from the dollar store. We are going for a coastal Scandinavian look. To add to our existing pillows, we bought this accent pillow and a poof for our feet. Both of these came from Jisk.
We also bought a couple of light strips from Best Buy to add some lighting and to add effects to our movie nights.
And to top it all off, we bought some decorative items from the dollar store. So make sure to check your local dollar store for some cheap items for decoration.
We are going to be starting with this side of the wall. Everything is cluttered down there. We are going to try to clean it, move things around, make sure we start with a clean slate. Starting off with the furniture. Now that's all clean, and as usual, we're gonna be working on the furnitures here in the kitchen and moving it over to the living rooms afterwards.
Wow, it's so shiny!
One of the things that we really love about this TV stand is it has a shiny gloss. Instructions!
Instructions!
And of course, our handy dandy drill. Always try to arrange all the screws like what Max is doing.
So long.
That, I think, was the most complicated IKEA furniture that we've built so far. It had a lot of moving parts and it took us about an hour and a half just to get it fully functional.
Especially the sticker. You have to peel each corner. Why did they put that in?
One thing I want to mention is what's nice about this TV stand is it goes from edge to edge, so we're maximizing all of the space in this corner. Unlike our old TV stand, which is still nice, but it doesn't maximize the space like this one. And also it has drawers, so we can tuck away some things in there and keep it hidden. Now, for wall mounting our TV, we need a few things aside from the mount. You need a tape measure, a level, and for sure, a stud finder.
What's wrong?
Maybe on condo units like this, they always go with metal studs. I've always just mounted on wood studs and I've never mounted on a metal stud. And being this uncomfortable, I think we should just hire someone to just mount the TV and the shelf.
On this side, we're going to hang 3 portraits. And for the pillows, we are going to refresh the design and change their covers. It's time to do the portraits!
So for the portraits, you guys could choose between hanging a wall decor or an artwork. We opted to print out photos that we downloaded online. This is actually a sequence photo where all of these photos are actually just building one gigantic photo. And I believe this is a photo from Big Sur, California. Each of the photos are 16 by 20 and this fits perfectly in our Reba picture frame. This is a nice frame, but we're not actually using this. Oh, look at this. It's not actual glass. Look, it's just plastic.
Oh, there's a sticker. You have to peel it off. Another tip for you guys is if you're not going to use the border, put it at the back of the picture. In that case, you can save it for the future in case you change your mind. Are you guys ready to see the first picture?
Here we go! Ta-da! So this is the very far right of the picture. Now let's go do the other ones.
Second picture done!
So the image is slowly building up, right? Slowly coming together.
Last portrait.
Ta-da!
It's the palm.
Yeah, it's the palm. It's all blurry on this side because the main focus of the picture, the big picture, is the beach, which are the 2 first pictures.
We chose this portrait because we were going for a coastal Scandinavian look.
And also, initially we had a choice if we wanted to put 3 different pictures in there, or do we go with the sequential picture? But we opted for the sequential picture just so it looks like your window from a beachfront view. Very nice.
It looks a little small, but I think we chose the right size for this because we are still going to put a plant beside it.
Initially, we don't want this wall to be too busy, right? We are now gonna be building a small plant stand, a small side table. We got this one from Jessica and it's pretty good priced. I think it's only about $40. It's pretty sturdy and it goes with our design. So I think this one can't be more simple because there's only one base, there's only 3 legs, and all you have to do is put them together. Nice and white, clean design, and it matches the pot of our plant.
That was so fast.
It didn't even take 10 minutes.
To our coastal Scandinave design, we are going to add some hint of blue in our pillows, our blanket, our poof, and our coffee table. As we've mentioned, we bought these pillow covers from the dollar store. The dollar store has a good selection of designs. Since we're going for a coastal Scandinave style, our color motif is blue and beige, so we made sure that we have those accent pieces as a decor. One tip for you guys if you are going to decorate is always go for a triangle method. This is having a taller piece, a mid piece, and a lower piece. You can also try to have different texture in every decor that you have. I couldn't find a perfect piece as a tray, so I just picked up a picture frame and made it as a tray. No one can notice, right? We also found a candle from Bath & Body Works that matches our theme, Seaside Mist.
Babe, where are you going to put this one? What is this?
That's for our decor! So Winners just opened and they have this on clearance for only $4. So I thought, why not buy it and put it as a decor?
So it's a cage for a moss ball.
And then we're just going to put on some fairy lights and voila! Decoration! So nice, right? What are you doing?
Trying to measure the light strips. Hey Google, it's movie night. So, what do you think? I think it was a successful makeover, right?
Yeah, cheers to us!
Just enjoying our mango shake in this coastal Scandinave themed living room.
It feels like we are on a vacation.
Yeah, and I think it opens up the space quite a bit, makes it more clean and modern, right? And I think this lockdown showed a brighter side, a good side of things, right? We get to enhance our creativeness and bring a much needed attention to our living space.
Thank you guys for joining us in this mini project that we had. And if you guys are new here, we'd love to keep you around. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video.
And if you have any suggestions for the upcoming vlogs, let us know in the comment section down below.
Until then, see you on our next vlog.
And thanks for watching. Bye! It is also worth mentioning that most of the Now that's clean, and as usual.
So make sure to check your local dollar store for some cheap items for decorative. For decoration!
We opted to print out photos that we downloaded online. I think we have a bit of a problem. Now, for wall mounting our TV, we need a few things aside from the mount. We need our tape measure.